Hello everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So today I have a new subscription to my channel. This is the Allure, here we go. The Allure Beauty Box. This is my very first one. So I believe that this is for March. I ordered it at the end of March. And I think it's March's. I don't know. I have not been charged again. I only paid once when I bought this. I have not been charged again for, I guess it would be an April box. I did open this, but there's nothing in here that tells me what month it is. So, I don't have any idea. I think it's March's though. But that's my guess, is it's going to be March. Okay, so looks like it comes with this little pamphlet. Okay, so that tells you everything that's in your box. Okay, so we will look at that next. Comes with this little bag, which is not bad, and it's cute. It's plastic, so it's definitely not super durable. Not sure how long it would last, but it's cute. And looks like all of the products are inside here. Okay, so there's quite a few products in here actually. All right, so this is, what is this? Oh, that is really small writing. Give me 1 second. Okay. This is Belief. Okay, so this is from Belief. The True Cream Aqua Balm. Increased hydration level. Okay, so I'm guessing that this is a moisturizer. I have not used anything from this brand, nor have I actually heard of this brand. Let's see what this. I'm just gonna look in this little pamphlet as we go. All right, so we're gonna see what this looks. Okay, so it is a moisturizer. This retails for $38. This is obviously a sample size of it. But it retails for $38. I have not used this, so I do not know anything. Oh. Whew. Okay. I'm hoping that this scent will kind of disappear a little bit after you use it, because this is really, really strong. This is a very, very strong scent. So the full size of this, like I said, retails for $38. So I am excited to try that out and see what that is. Okay, I'm gonna take off my glasses because I really hate my glasses. But I'm about half blind. Oh no, and this is really small too. Okay, this is, okay, Rose Water Toner. I do not have any toner because I just recently learned what toner did and what you were supposed to use it for. So I do not have any. So this is the, what is this? I'm going to butcher this. I do not know how this says. Mamonade, I guess? Mamonde? I don't know. Rose Water Toner. It says the full size of this retails for $23, which is not bad for a toner. I don't use it. I just realized what it was, but I have done some research on different ones since I learned what it was, and a $23 price point does not seem too terribly bad for a toner based on what I've seen. So I am very excited to give this a try. There's quite a bit in here, actually. So it's not a super small sample of it. It smells like, I don't know if that smells like rose. It doesn't smell too bad. I'm not sure what that scent is. If it's supposed to be rose, I'm not sure it smells like that, maybe. I don't know, maybe it does. Okay. And then this is from Juice Beauty, which I do not have anything yet from Juice Beauty at all. So is this a full size? Because this is a big tube. Let me see. Okay, so it says Juice Beauty Green Apple Brightening Gel Cleanser. $28. Okay, so this is 2 ounces. Okay, so this must be a full size. This has to be full size because this is 2 ounces. This would be a very, very large sample. So I'm going to say this is probably full size. So this retails for $28, which is, I don't know if I've ever spent $28 on a face cleanser, but, oh, and it does have a safety seal on it. I can get it off and tell you what it smells like maybe. Sometimes having long nails is really not good. Sometimes it just makes things so much more difficult, like opening safety seals. Ha, here we go. Okay. Oh, it doesn't smell terribly bad. Ooh. Okay, so it is definitely like a gel. Oh, it's very soothing though. It is very, very soothing. So it kind of smells like, I do not think this smells like green apple. I think it smells like tangerines. Just saying. All right, so I am excited to try that. All right, there's a couple more things in this little bag here. Okay, so this is, what is this? Au Naturel Cream Multi-Stick. Okay. The Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick in Grapefruit. Okay. You can use it for blush or eyeshadow, it looks like. And this, again, is also full size. I'm not sure why I smelled that. I don't have any idea. All right, swatch it out. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It does not, can you see like all of these little flakes that comes out with it? Like, those are all, so it doesn't quite go on. Let me swatch it somewhere else on my arm and see if it makes a difference. Okay, so it does go smoother on this part of my arm. So it is pretty. I've never used a cream blush or anything like that, so I'll definitely give that a try and see how I like it. That retails for $35. I want it. There's no way. There's no way. All right. So the next thing we have in here is, oh my gosh, I love, what is this? Is this a lipstick? Yes, this is a lipstick. I love this packaging. That is so cool. Like, I love, 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 love that. Okay, let me take this part off so I can open it. It says that this is shade 501 Blush Basin. Okay. Oh, it's pretty. So that's what it looks like. Go ahead and trying to swatch them for you guys where you can actually see them. So that's the color right here. Excuse my very hairy arms. That's really pretty. I do really like that. Again, this is this full size? I'm so confused. Do you get full size products in this box? I thought it was sample size products in this box. There's a whole lot of, I think this is a full size. Let me see. Okay, where is this? This is, okay, oh, so this is from Burt's Bees. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, Burt's Bees Glossy Lipstick or Burt's Bees Lipstick Blush Basin. Okay, so you must have had the option to get one or the other on that. So I got the blush basin, which is very pretty. It's $9. Okay, so that's not too bad for a lipstick. It's definitely transfer proof. I did put a lot on there, just to be fair. I did put a lot on there. Okay, so that's a very pretty color. I do really like that, and I love that packaging. I just think that's really cool. All right, so the next thing we have is, what is this? This is a Pure Seriously Soothing Night Oil. Okay, so apparently keep this box because there is not a single word that tells you what this is on this bottle. Not one. Which, okay, I hate that. I'm just gonna be honest. I hate that because I lose packages generally the second I take stuff out of the packages. So most of my stuff that I have no longer has the original package for it. So if it does not have written on it exactly what it is and it gets mixed in with my collection, I'm not going to have a single idea what it is because I have a lot of stuff. So I hate that this is not, it does not tell you what it is on the actual bottle itself. And it's got it's a roller cap. It doesn't really have much of a scent to it, really. Let's see, so what exactly does this do? Because I have never heard of this. Wash face, apply retinol, put head on pillow. Okay. 10 hydrating oils packed into each bottle, including sweet almond, jojoba, and blue tansy, which is a type of chamomile, but the mix is delightfully light. Oh, okay. So you can use it at night on your face, or you can use it on the ends of your hair, on your cuticles, and on dry spots on your face before makeup. Huh. Okay, so that's got a lot of different uses for it, which is not bad. So it says that a 1 ounce bottle retails for $12.98. That's not too bad. This, I believe, is about half of that size. So I will definitely give that a try. I do not have oily skin normally, so I am able to use oil and stuff on my face like that, and it does not make me super oily. The last thing in here is an okay product. This is a London Town Lacquer in Bright of Love, which obviously is just a nail polish. Oh my gosh, why could I not get that word out? I do my nails, but I don't tend to use a lot. This is super watery. That is really watery. Okay. It is a pretty color. So I swatched it just on this envelope for you. I don't know if you can tell though, but this is super, super watery. That's really, really watery. So, okay, let's see what this retails for $16. I don't spend that much on nail polishes. I never have, I never will. I do my nails, but I just do not think nail polish is worth that kind of money. I just don't. So, it is a pretty color. I will give it a try, but most likely I will end up giving it to my daughter because she does use more nail polishes than I do. I do my nails, but I tend to, like they are painted now, But I mainly buy ones that are already got designs and colors on them, so I don't actually really have to do that part. So she does end up with most of my nail polishes. So that is everything in here. So it's not bad. I'm a lot more impressed than I thought I was going to be. I've heard a lot of things about Allure boxes, bad, some good, a lot bad. So I was not sure exactly what to do. I did order this through Amazon rather than through the Allure website, because I was told by several different people, if you order it through Amazon, you get it faster and it has better customer service, and you end up getting things that are, or get less things that are broken when they arrive to you. So this isn't bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. And I'm going to say that there is 1, 2, 3, 4 full-size items maybe. I'm definitely going to say that this is the color stick thingy is definitely full size. And I'm going to say, because this is 2 ounces, I'm going to say that this is also full size. I would also consider this nail polish full size. And the amount, just based on the amount of lipstick in here, I would say that that is, if not full size, very close to being full size, because there is a lot in here. So it's not bad. It's not bad. I will have to look into and figure out. I'm still going to say that this is most likely the March box. I'm going to look in to see if I'm going to be getting the April box, or if they are going to consider this my April box. I don't have any idea. So I'm going to have to look into that. So that is everything in my Allure box. Like I said, pretty darn happy. Allure is $15 a month. I did have a $5 off coupon, so I did get mine for $10. So, but it is normally $15. So I'm super happy with it though. I am excited to see if I get April's box. If I do, I will definitely do an unboxing of it. So let me know what you thought of my bag and what you got in yours if you receive Allure. And that's everything I have for you in this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. If you have, thank you so very much. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.